Once you finish editing, look at the panel in the top left corner of the workspace. There, you'll find information about your project. Below the panel, you'll see the Site, Unit Mix, and Area Breakdown buttons. Click on each option to see detailed solution information. You can find solution information like allowable and provided unit count, floor area ratio, gross floor area, and the required and provided parking in the Site tab. You can also find project information like location, address, lot area, setback, and street side information. In the Unit Mix tab, you'll see a unit mix breakdown for all buildings and individual buildings if more than one exists. Finally, you will find the building use information in the Area Breakdown tab. You can find an area breakdown for all residential buildings and parking structures. You can also add financial settings in the Financial Settings page. Once you're done with your settings, the Financial tab will appear and you will be able to see the financial outputs. In the next video, we'll show you how to add your financial settings.